Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. My name is Daniel and in this video I will give you another update about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Quant and also the 88 chart because this altcoin is in my opinion right now nice to watch, nice to observe. There is a very nice trade opportunity and I will also tell you about my $1 million orders which I have already placed for Ethereum. So yeah, stick here with me until the very end and enjoy this video. And we are starting here straight into the smaller time frames of the Ethereum chart, the 15-minute time frame. And as you can see highlighted here in purple, in my opinion, we are now in this last leg towards the upside, or yeah, maybe in the fourth wave still. But in my opinion, this can already be finished. And yeah, we could be now in the last leg towards the upside to this target area, which is above the high of the wave 3, above 1740. And in my opinion here, the upside is around about $1,800. Of course, this can extend a little bit, yeah. Don't set your stop losses too tight. But I have placed this target area because I have placed short orders, which are around about $1 million in this region. Of course, I didn't set only one order, which is around $1 million. I set, I think like 5 orders, which is like 100 Ethereum each order. And the last one is 150 Ethereum. So that's my current expectation because I want to catch this top here for this upcoming wave 2 towards the downside. So when we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, as you know, the first wave which I expected here is most likely nearly finished in my opinion. However, this is no financial advice, this is my personal opinion. We saw a 5-wave move already. We have been following this 5-wave move very nicely on this channel with long and short trade down there, then a long trade which we closed a little bit too early, then a very nice short trade which I doubled down on here exactly at the top, and then a very nice long trade which we opened down here at $14.50, $14.60. And so that's now the point when I'm looking forward here to the short trade opportunity to trade down this wave A of 2. So because this, in my opinion, should come down impulsively. And if we are looking at the overall wave 2, it has a price target between the 0.618 and the 0.5% retracement level. This wave 1 towards the upside. So the bottom line of this target area is around about $1,300. The top area is about $1,400. I think we're gonna come down here in a 3-wave move. And as I told you, I think we are going to see one last high here on the smaller time frames before this move towards the downside can start, because what we are seeing here, or what is developing here, is a so-called Elliott wave triangle, or even a normal triangle in a normal technical analysis. The first indication that we are going to break out is if we are breaking above this trend line here, then we can assume that the wave 3 here in green has started. And it could be finished once a 5-wave move has developed, which has made a higher high than 1740. So let's now come over here to the Bitcoin chart, and there we see a similar scenario. I already provided you yesterday here in this video with that wave count. In my opinion, we see here an Elliott wave triangle as well in an A, B, C, D, E shape. So this can now already be a first small 1-2 setup, or here the wave E can also come down once more, a little bit lower, before here the last wave, the 5th wave towards the upside is starting. And we cannot know that yet exactly, but approximately that is what I'm expecting. If we're zooming out here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have been tracking this move here very nicely. We have shorted down here from the top of wave 3 the wave 4, of course on the Ethereum chart, and opened the long position down there. These were all the boxes I placed here for you on the chart. As you probably can remember, this was a box for resistance for the last wave 5 towards the downside, and this target area was actually the target area to buy in. We touched it, we dipped in very slightly, so congratulations for everyone who took this trade. And right now we are nearly in the next target area, but it is a turnaround towards the downside. So be careful about that, and let's now have a look at the Q&T chart. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. And there you can already see kind of consolidation here. In my opinion, it could develop as some kind of a three-wave move in a wave 2. So if we would see this looks not very impulsive towards the downside, but it is possible to count it as a three-wave move from an ending diagonal in wave C. This could also develop to a three-wave move. Then we see another three-wave move down, three-wave move up, three-wave move down. So practically an ending diagonal with only three-wave moves. In my opinion, this is quite likely. So this could be the reason why we saw a three-wave move down there, and right now a triangle shape, because as you know, right now it gets very unlikely due to this triangle that this is a 1, 2, and we're now seeing the 3, 4, 5. It already was quite unlikely because of this overlap which we saw here. But now, since we are forming here a triangle, it got way more unlikely, because the triangle is most likely in a wave B of an ABC correction or in a wave 4 of an impulse. So since this is not really a wave 4 here, because it has only been a wave 1 and 2 or a wave A or B, and this is most likely a triangle. This is, in my opinion, or could be an ABC down, now an ABC up, which is the wave 1 and 2 of the ending diagonal. Then we see an AB3 down, an ABC up, and another last ABC down, which is then all of the 5-wave move, which is required for an ending diagonal for the wave C. So in my opinion, this is the count which I'm going with right now. And now let's have a look at the 88 chart, because as I told you, in my opinion, there are quite interesting developments. And as you can see, we got a possible top here in place, but we are also forming here some kind of a triangle. So it is actually possible that the wave B becomes even more overshooting, to be honest. So even if this now gets another leg towards the upside, I would count it as an ABC towards the upside, because this triangle is very unlikely a wave 2. It is more likely that this is a wave B. Of the wave B, for example, we see another high, but this is not a reason to FOMO in yet, because as I provided you already here on this channel, in my opinion, this can be the first wave 1 towards the upside, the first impulse, let's call it like that. It could also be that this wave count is shifting a little bit, and I also tell you how this would look. So for 88, there are now 2 possibilities kind of. It could be that we see the top of the wave 5 right there, and that the wave 3 has topped right here, because it can be that this was a 1, 2 of the wave 3, and this huge impulse was a 3 of a wave 3. Then here we saw the 4, and from there an ending diagonal in a wave 5 of 3 started only, and not a completion of the whole wave 5. So right now, I guess there will be one last high. Either it's the high of the wave 5, and we are seeing this complete wave 2 towards the downside afterwards. So we are coming down in a 3-wave move from there in this highlighted target area on the chart. Or the other opportunity is that we finished off here this 5th wave already, that we got a wave A already, that we are now in this overshooting B, and it can even extend a little bit more, and we are seeing a very strong wave C afterwards. So those are the 2 options which I want to provide you here with. Both are quite possible. Both, in my opinion, end up with the same result, because both scenarios reach one higher high and coming down here in this target area. The one option is that we are coming down in a 3-wave move. It would be the option where the 5th wave is topping up here, and we are coming down in the ABC structure then. And the overshooting wave B option, which is right now on the chart, would actually suggest that we are coming down here in an impulse. Yeah? So that are my two options which I'm observing right now. If you liked the video, if you enjoyed the content, please smash up the like button down below the video, leave a subscription and activate the small little bell so you will never miss out on the content which I'm uploading here on this channel for you. And if you also want to check out my other social media channels, Instagram and TikTok, you will also find the links down below the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Bye bye.